Market update on the 27th. So I got three possibilities for where we're going to go from here. So based on the move we're going on right now, this move right here is completely corrective. So we know it can't turn into an impulsive move because it's corrective. Can't turn into an impulsive move, but it can do A, B, and go C and go lower. So that's about as bearish as it can get, really. I mean, I guess it could technically go ABC, bounce, ABC, and just trickle down. But based on what we've already done, I would say that that's highly unlikely, and that the most likely scenario, or there's three scenarios that are pretty likely. We either hit A here, B here, C here to complete the overall B wave, or the overall B wave ends right here and we go higher. Those are the first two possibilities. I'm favoring this one right here, A, B, C lower, probably around 372 or so. I don't know if that will finish today, but I can see that finishing at the end of Monday, going into FOMC, or maybe on Tuesday morning going into FOMC. So that's a scenario, and less likely, in my opinion, is finishing B here and just going higher, because we do have FOMC on Tuesday. So my target, based on this, you can see it's A, B, C, A, B, C, B, A, B, A, B, C. And I would be looking for right at 377.50 tomorrow morning. That would complete an overall ABC move. So we don't know if it's the B wave or just A of the B wave. And the third scenario is basically changing this whole move into an ABC move, A, B, C, and then this is A, B, C. I change it to an impulsive move because parallel lines, it goes through pretty easily. So it comes through there. So I consider that an impulsive move, but some people have it as ABC, ABC. Perfectly fine, because we're pretty much going to the same area. In that case, what is the 1.61 fib of this A wave? Is right here at 400. And you're going to see in a second why that matters. So go to the 1 hour time frame. And so in this case, it would be just like this. Just like this. ABC1, ABC2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. We got ABC1, ABC2, ABC3, ABC4. This happened on the 18th at 375, the 26th at 387. So 12 points in between them. So what's the next 12 points? 399. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it happens on the third. Perfect intersection. This happened on the 26th, 18th. What's 8 days after the 26th? The third. So 399, perfect intersection. That's why I wanted to show this, because for the coincidences, for how crazy, it's like a perfect alignment for 399 on the third. Don't know if it's going to happen, but I thought I would share it. So that's another possibility. I see three possibilities: A, B, C, B, A, B, C, or this rising wedge for an actual C wave, getting to about 400 on the third. The VIX, not much more to go over. Basically, same move. Looking for up, down, or just straight up. Most likely, or it could just keep on drifting down too. Yeah, not really that much to talk about on this one right now. I would just, let's look at the dollar actually. The dollar, went up pretty good today, like I said in the last video, but I'm still expecting one more move down to 108 or so. Yields, we're down at 3.9%. And see how this all aligns too? We're expecting one more move higher for the overall market. We're expecting one more move lower in the dollar. Yields are a little bit different. I don't know exactly what to expect, but I'm expecting it to come down to about 2.81%. Not sure how that's going to go with yields, because if they stay up here in this range, even if they just bounce around, that's probably going to be bearish. Like, let's say we get a move down here and we come back up here. That could happen, and it could still stay below this high and still be bearish. So yields are a little bit different, but the dollar I see falling one more time before we actually start going higher again, or before we get a B wave and then come lower. So that's another reason I'm bullish on the market. Yields, we'll see, but I think that they might have completed the 5-wave move or the ABC move. So the 0.38 fib is at 2.81, so we're looking for that. And that's pretty much it. So I'll put the 3 scenarios in the description. Look for one of these to play out, but pretty much every single one of them is bullish short term over the next week or so. I don't see any reason right now for this to be an impulsive move down or start a big move down. Probably going to kill puts for another week or so, and then we can start talking about another move down. Either way, if this ends up being, if this is an ABC move and this plays out, we're looking for so if it's ABC, you'd be looking for 323. Well, if we come to 400, let's see it, 323 or 32 points below this right here is about 338. So 338 to 323. If this is a 5-wave move, we're looking lower than that. We're looking for like 297, I think. Or 305, I guess. So anyway, I'll put the scenarios in the description. Let me know how you did in the market today. And like and subscribe. And I'll put out another update probably during the day tomorrow. Have a good night.